Hi there, I'm Make Money Joe, and welcome to the channel. What if I told you that there was a way for you to earn money just by watching videos? Yes, it might sound ridiculous, but it's possible. People are actually earning lots of money doing this, believe it or not. The first thing you need to do is stick with me throughout this entire video so that I can show you how to do it, and when it's your turn, you'll be able to do it properly. Pay close attention to everything I say, because some people often just skim through the video, which usually results in them missing a few details and not earning any money at all. This is by far one of the easiest ways to earn money online. It's going to change your life, so let's get right to it. Believe it or not, you'll earn $4 by watching one video. Imagine if you're able to watch 10 videos, then you'd be earning $40. If you watch more, who knows how much you will earn. And by the way, I almost forgot to tell you that this is 100% free. I guarantee you that you won't need to rip open your wallet and spend anything. Anyone can do this on any device as long as you have an internet connection. If you're able to stick with me until the end of the video, I will give you some bonus steps so that you can earn extra. Alright, open your browser and go to Google, and on the search bar type in Twitch TV. Twitch TV is a streaming platform mostly for gamers, and throughout the years it has built a huge community. Some famous YouTubers even have accounts here. Anyway, once you're already on the website, you will immediately be able to see all the videos you can watch for free. At the top, I want you to click on Browse. After clicking that, you should be able to see all available categories for your viewing pleasure. We're going to be focusing on one category that's really popular among kids and adults alike, and it's called Fortnite. If you're not familiar with this, Fortnite is a sandbox survival third-person shooter inspired from another game called PUBG. Anyway, here on the Fortnite category, you should be able to see that it has over 60 million followers from all over the world. Once you scroll down below, you'll be able to see all the available videos of people playing Fortnite. This is where we are going to get the videos to watch to get paid. And to help us do that, there's another website called OK.io. Right in the middle it says shorten URL and earn money. Later on, I will explain to you how to use that website. Of course, similar to other websites, we need to first create an account. As usual, it's really easy to make an account. Just put in your username, your email address, and your password, and make sure all the details are 100% accurate. After filling out your details, click on I'm not a robot, and then hit submit. Once you're ready and you're logged into your account, click on statistics. Over here, you'll be able to see how many people click on your link and how much you've earned so far. Going back to Twitch TV, we need to find 3 videos. So select any video that you think is interesting or any video that you like. Select the first video so that it starts playing. In the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see the share button. I want you to click that and copy the link. Once the link's been copied, let's go back to OK.io. Paste the link on the box and click on shorten so you'll have your own unique link. The next thing that we need to do here is to make some sort of default written template that will tell people why they should watch it. Now for this part, it's actually up to you to think of something creative that will make the people want to click on your link and watch the video. So first make an introduction about the game and then proceed with the entire body of the template. Always remember to keep it interesting, light, and you can also put a little bit of humor into it. At the end of the template, make sure to put the link of the 3 videos in any order. You can do this and repeat this process as many times as you want. Keep in mind to pick videos that are a little more interesting than the usual Fortnite playthrough. By the way, just to make sure that you understand, you're not only limited to 3 videos. After choosing the first 3, you can also add more and choose more videos that you can show to people. If you're still with me up to this point, first and foremost, I want to say congratulations for making it this far. And here is the bonus gift I promised for you. This website is where we can get free traffic. This is where you can post your template and links. It's called forum.pcgamer.com. This website is really popular and well known to players who like to discuss all sorts of different things relating to their favorite game. The category that you need to choose on the website needs to be about Fortnite, since that is what the videos are all about. You can either start to make a post, or you can join other forums or discussions and paste your comment down there. And by comment, I mean the template that you just made. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've learned something while watching this video. And until next time, see you later.